Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Flamingo. So in this video we're just gonna fix a little thing that was bothering me. So the names of the files in Blazor don't really matter. It's not like an MVC that they're actually linked to stuff. So we're gonna rename this to add user. And I already off video fixed this, and as you can see it'll still work. So if we run it, it still works and it still knows where to go. But as you see, it's still going to counter and it's going to fetch data. So let's also fix the URL. So we're going to go here, and it actually comes from here. So if we change this to my users, then we have to go to the nav bar, change the href to my users. Now we try it. My users, and it works. And we're going to do the same for add user. So it's going to be so as you can see now it's add user and my users. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.